Now, finally, they are talking about geometric mean. So, same way, geometric mean is like if you've got a number like AB and you insert a number G in between and they are in GP, then this is called, G is called the geometric mean. And again, as they are in GP, you can say that G by A should be equal to B by G because the common ratio should be equal. Or you can say that G star equals to AB. Or you can also say that G is actually square root of AB. So this is what is the GM of two numbers. Now we come to the n-Geometric mean. This is my first geometric mean. Now we come to n-Geometric means. So what we are saying here that if there are two numbers A and B, then you insert n numbers G1 to Gn in such a way that they are in GP. If they are in GP, then what would happen is same way that now the total terms of the GP is actually total terms of the GP is n plus 2 because A and B were there and n numbers are added. So now what we are doing is we are let the common ratio of this GP is R. If the common ratio is R, then we can make use of this to say that my an plus 2 is going to be equal to a into r to the power n minus 1, which is r to the power n plus 2 minus 1, which is going to be equal to a into r to the power n plus 1. While an plus 2 is actually equal to b. So b equals to a into r to the power n plus 1. So this means that b by a is going to be equal to r to the power n plus 1. Or you can say that r is going to be equal to b by a to the power 1 by n plus 1. So this is what is your r. Now you found out r, you can find out all these numbers like g1. How do you find g1? G1 is nothing but a into r, which is nothing but a into b by a to the power 1 by n plus 1. Then similarly, you can find out G2. G2 is A into R square, which is going to be equal to A into B by A to the power 2 by n plus 1. And G3, again, I'm writing the third one, and then out of that, I'll write the nth one. A into B by A to the power P by n plus 1. In the similar manner, if I keep going, I will find Gn will be A into R to the power n, and that should be equal to a into b by a to the power n upon n plus 1. So these are my n-Geometric means. These are my n-Geometric means. So there will be one more result which they might have given, is that if you multiply g1, g2 and all these numbers gn, what you get is one side you get a to the power n. The other side is these powers get added like b by a to the power 1 upon n plus 1, then this will become 2 upon n plus 1, then this will become n upon n plus 1. And as you can see, this can be written as a to the power n into b by a, and this can be written as, if I take 1 by n plus 1 common, this will be nothing but again same thing, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n. So what can I write this as? I can write it as a to the power n into b by a to the power 1 by n plus 1, and this can be written as n into n plus 1 by 2. Again, as a result, you should remember this, as I said. So summation of n terms, such terms will be this, right? So this is gonna be n by 2. Now this has become a to the power n into b to the power n by 2 divided by a to the power n by 2. And I can say that this is gonna be a to the power n by 2 into b to the power n by 2. Or I can say this is nothing but root ab to the power n.